YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy, Label Me Later, here. As you can see, I got a lot of shoes that's going on. So I've owned some of these shoes for, I'd say, anywhere ranging from 3 to a year and a half. I recently got my hands on some shoes, these right here, M. These were, M. is the seller of the shoes. Make sure you guys can see that. M. was a shoe company that was in one of the buildings that I was working in, and they were selling shoes made from Italy. These shoes are handmade, and you search them and you can Google these shoes. They're actually pretty expensive. But yeah, perks of working at a job. You get nice stuff. Anyway, so as you can see, there is some defects on these shoes, and I thought to myself that maybe it would be, just beneficial to see if I can invest in cleaning gear to see if I can revive some of these shoes back to life. And because, I mean, honestly, like, I got about 8 to 10, probably like 4 pairs of, genuine leather shoes, and they're just sitting in my closet, scuffed up, looking like they're old. And you can see after time, you could see a shoe starts to curl up if you don't have that brace. Like I've done security, so you can see that there's a lot of wear and tear on these things. So what I did was I went on YouTube and I watched some videos. And obviously, anybody can go on YouTube and watch some videos. Let me invest in my own shoe cleaning gear. So today we're gonna see if we can revive any of these shoes. Let me see if I'm gonna revive these shoes right here, the ones in the black, because I really beat these things to shit. And yeah, let's see if I can get it perfect for you guys to see. Yeah, these guys are beat up. Honestly, they were to a point where I might even just throw these suckers out. But, let's just experiment and see what's going to happen to them. So I've been doing. No, I mean, what I've really just done so far was I lightly just, used the brushes. As you can see, I used this brush that has horse hairs, and lightly used like the shoe polish, swirled it around a little bit. Instantly, I could see the differences, those little scuffings. You can compare the shoes right here too. Hold on, I'm going to show you. This is the one I just did. I just did this one. And this is the other shoe that I didn't do. Hold on, let me see if I can compare those two. Clear difference. You can even see in the toe. This one had the same scuffing right around the edges too. Look. See these marks right here? The shoe polish took all that away. So I guess this Maximilian is definitely worth the investment in trying to revive those scuffings on dress shoes and your Italian leather, your foreign shoes. If you actually care about them, if you spent like over $100, $200 on your dress shoes, you definitely need to take that out. I'm interested to see what it would do with black shoes too. I might try that in the next video because I was initially about to try that. So thank you for watching. That's just my review on the shoe kit right here. Definitely worth it. It was only like less than 30 bucks. I think it's for $24 on Amazon right now. Anybody can go on Amazon and price check me, but that's the video. Label me later. Thank you for watching. Share, like, subscribe, comment. Alright, we're out.